The choice of material cuts the carbon emissions, in this case, by 46%. This isn't theoretical. This is the Linkspan project at the Port of Gothenburg. This is the first steel ramp for us made of EAF recycled steel.
This is a part of a bigger improvement program. In this location where we have the new ramp was before a fixed ramp, which of a smaller size as well. So this is to be able to handle the new latest generation of ships, which are wider.
This pioneering achievement proves sustainable materials are ready today. It was only possible through the strong collaboration and commitment of the Port of Gothenburg, fabrication partner Vågen Gdynia, and MacGregor. Choose sustainability that performs. Choose EAF recycled steel.